We're back with big breaking updates coming in. It's a big relief for Manish Sisodia from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has granted bail to the former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Senior News Editor Bhavtosh Singh joins us on the broadcast. Also on the broadcast with us is Priyank Tripathi, Tejshri as well as Sabyasachi. Bhavtosh, this is the third time that Manish Sisodia had approached the court for bail. Now that he has been granted bail by the Supreme Court, is he going to walk out of jail after 16 months? If yes, when?
Yes, in fact, he is walking out from Tihar jail. The question is whether he will be walking out late this evening or maybe tomorrow. The fact is that Supreme Court not only has pulled up the enforcement arcade, but also Supreme Court and High Court. The Supreme Court, the bench of Justice Gawai said that why did the High Court as well as Supreme Court did not look into the Supreme Court order dated October, which had said that in case the matter was delayed and the trial went on for a long time, that Sisodia was entitled for bail. He said that over 69,000 pages of documents have been filed by the enforcement directorate, and the Supreme Court said the special court as well as the special court as well as the High Court did not give bail on the grounds that the inordinate delay has happened. He also said that the right to bail is a right of any individual, and this is enshrined in the Constitution. He, in fact, Justice Gawai further went on to say that a person should not run from pillar to post just to get a bail in this case. He also said Mr. Sisodia had not filed any frivolous petition as far as this case is concerned. He filed 13 applications. These applications concerned signing of checks, and at no point of time trial court had in fact rejected his application. So he also in fact rejected the Additional Solicitor General's argument that he is filing any kind of frivolous application. These are some of the points that Supreme Court had highlighted while rejecting the Enforcement Directorate's application, which had in fact said that it was Sisodia who was delaying this entire trial and that he was not entitled for bail. Now, Justice Gawai has in fact given bail not only in the ED case but also in the CBI case. He will be released on a personal bond as well as a surety of 10 lakh rupees, and also has to surrender his passport. Now, he has in fact pointed out a very important thing as far as this case is concerned. He has said that a large number of documents have been filed by the Enforcement Directorate. He has said 69,000 pages of documents have been filed. There are hundreds of witnesses in this case, and he in fact hinted that the trial in this case is not getting over anytime soon, and anyone in this case who has been named as errand as an accused in this case is entitled to bail. So it clearly means that if Arvind Kejriwal now applies for bail, then on the conditions of parity, then he can also get bail very soon as far as this high-profile case is concerned.
Okay, so Priyank, in October when the court had rejected his bail petition, it had also allowed Manish Sisodia to revive his petition if the trial goes on at snail's pace. Now that he has been granted bail by the Supreme Court, how is the investigation going to proceed?
The charge sheet has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The ED's, prosecution complaint has already been filed. The trial is yet to begin in this case. So that's what the Apex Court has also hinted out, that a person cannot be allowed to run from pillar to post. Today, there was another appearance of Manish Sisodia through video conferencing at this Rouse Avenue Court, where I am standing right now, where his judicial remand has been extended. But now, since the Apex Court has granted him bail in both the cases, the next formality will be for the lawyers of the Aam Aadmi Party side, who will be coming here at the Rouse Avenue Court, and they will also, try to get the bail order on basis of the Apex Court order. But that also depends on what will be the further, thing in this case. We are expecting that Aam Aadmi Party's lawyers are coming out from the Rouse Avenue Court after the hearing, which has just ended right now.
Okay, so in just a few